Hey y'all, it's Jody. So I know we're still locked in the house. Hope you guys are well. I hope you're staying home. Now I'm about to show you how to do like the easiest lightweight twist. And you don't gotta get out the house because I got this hair from Amazon. It only cost me like 20 bucks, 20 something bucks for 4 packs. And I only used 2. So we're gonna do these passion twists. They're so easy, you guys. And this is what I'm using to braid my hair with. This is the Pantene Gold Series Braid Cream. It's really nice. It has oil and moisturizer and all of that. And you need your tools, just some combs, you know, detangling, parting, all of that, and some clips to section off your hair. Alright, you guys, so this is so simple. You know why? Well, one reason is that I'm not using a mirror. I have a mirror right next to me, but I can't even see the back of my head. I'm just freestyling it. I'm literally just sectioning off a piece of my hair and I get to twisting, and I'm going to show you guys the end result to show you that this actually really works. And surprisingly, it still looks neat, and when I'm done, it looks exactly like my hair, and it's so cute. So I'm going to take a little bit of that braid cream, just a little bit, and work it through each section of my hair. Just a quick tip, if you have natural hair, that this works better if your hair is like damp, or you could spritz it with a little water. And then I'm going to take the piece of my passion twist hair, my spring twist hair, whatever you want to call it, and I just braid it in. I use that section of hair as the third strand. So we have the 2 strands of the twist hair and a section of my hair, and I just do it that way. So throughout this video, I'm going to show like really close up, start to finish, no speeding up or anything, and I'm going to show you guys how the hair looks. So if you want to try it, you can get a better feel on how it looks close up. So I'm going to twist that all the way down. And you guys, I was so surprised that this hair is long when you stretch it out, but it just springs right back, and it comes up to like, what is it, bra strap, or shorter than bra strap length. Also stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys how I section off the hair. You see my little stand in the back. I'm going to give you guys all of the details, so make sure you smash that like button. And in this clip, I'm just sectioning off my second section, putting my braid cream, and you can also use you know, twist gel or whatever, which I'm going to show you guys later on in the video. What else you can use if you want like a stronger hold, or like that how to slick down all of the flyaways if you don't like frizzy hair. But here's a little trick: that frizzy hair is more natural because natural hair is frizzy. Who would have thought? Alright, you guys, so here is 1 out of the 4 sections of my hair finished. And here's another hack, you guys. If you part your hair in 2, like half down the middle, and you just split those into 2, it'll be so much easier. Or you can estimate the time or just how much you have finished. So you're going to split your hair in half, do 1 section, and then we'll just move on to the other section on that left side, your left, my right, and then we'll just do the other section. And this makes it so simple and so easy because I'm not using a mirror. You can just watch Netflix, watch my videos, follow along, or watch your favorite shows or whatever, and then you don't need a mirror. You just take your little product, estimate a section, feel it with your hands, and this will be done in like 5 hours max. And I promise you guys, for the ultimate beginner, as long as you know how to braid, for the ultimate beginner, this will be done in like 5 hours max. I promise you. So here's my little stand, you guys. I got it from Hobby Lobby, and of course Hobby Lobby is not open right now. But it's a really good tool to use, and I can just section off all of my twists on that thing and just pull it off. So I'm going to show you guys how I section the hair. So I use my little tool from Hobby Lobby. This is actually made for like thread, like sewing thread, spools of thread. And I got this suggestion from Beauty Can Braid. She always uses this. And so I got this little thing. It was really affordable. But I know y'all can't get it right now. It's okay. If they have it on Amazon, just order that too, along with your spring twist hair. And the key to section off the hair is to split it into 2 pieces. And using half of each piece of hair allows the twist to be lightweight. And since they fluff up, once you're done twisting, they look a lot thicker than they are. And also, they're just realistic. Like the sizes are really realistic. The density is really realistic. So you don't need to go with like a full twist. And also, I've done the full twists and they look a little fake. They look too uniform. This one is just bomb, okay? Just take my advice, split it into 2. Make sure to mitigate any tangles by just keeping the strand straight, like smoothing it out as you're separating, and you'll be good. So once again, I'm going to show you guys how I braid the front of my hair. From here, you can just watch what I'm doing. But like I said, I'm going to make sure I go slow enough. I'm going to show a lot of clips in this video on how I do these braids. And another thing is that I'm not using a lot of tension. These are not tight whatsoever, you guys. So they're not tight. They're lightweight. The length is perfect. You get the hair from Amazon, so you don't need to go nowhere. You got my video, so you can watch it. And also, there's no like complicated methods on how to do the twist at the root and all of that. Just braid it and then twist it. That's it. So this is great for beginners of like attaching hair to make like twists or braids. But as long as you know the basics on how to integrate the hair, or you got a cousin that you've seen do it, I promise you guys, this is gonna be so easy. And take that from me, I do a lot of complicated styles, and so this one I really simplified it to where it's so natural looking and it looks like my hair. And just like that, half my hair is finished. This can take you about like 1.5 hours if you're just going through it. And y'all, I have not been sleeping well, or I've been sleeping well, but I just been sleeping in the daytime. So this video transitioned from like night to day. So it started out dark only because it was like, what, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. But yeah, I'm halfway done, you guys. And then I just do the other half of my hair using the same method. And if you do this, you can just estimate how long it's going to take. And yeah, you can see the difference on one side that's finished and then the other side that's not finished. Yeah, so I took a lunch break to eat a whole papaya. I was chopping up the papaya and I split my finger, you guys. So this part, I'm going to be showing you how I do it, even with a split open finger. Y'all going to see how I still braid with a disabled finger. And as promised, I'm going to show you guys also how you use like twist and lock gel, the twisting type of pomade products, if you want a tighter hold. For those girls who like it like extra neat. Okay, so if you watched this far, thank you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed already, go smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button if you want more videos from me. So if you don't quite get the hang of it yet, I'm going to show you guys one more time. So I apply the products and I just take that one big chunk of hair and start braiding. So I use that chunk as one strand, use the other 2 parts of the twist hair, and that makes 3. And so I just make a braid. And then once I've done that about like 10 times, you can braid the foundation for as long as you're comfortable with. So if you only need to do it a few times, that's fine. But I want to caution you guys, this hair is like a softer texture and it's a little bit slippery, which is why I use some products to soften my hair. And also that's why I braid the base, so that you guys can catch along really quickly and you don't need a high skill level on how to make this stay, because it probably can get really loose and really slippery. So I just braid the roots, but not too tight. I just braid the roots 10 times and then start twisting. You let it go and it's like this perfect coily, springy twist.
Scared to move too fast or move too slow, and I'll admit that I just don't know where to go.
And girl, I'm guessing this is what they call passion twist. Girl, I don't even know what a passion twist is. I'm gonna do some more research because I don't know if it's a passion twist, a spring twist, it's a Jody twist. I don't know, you guys. So what should I call it? Or if you have any idea what they call this style, let me know in the comments below. But to finish off my twist, I'm just going to take some scissors and just clip those ends. If you choose to, you can also make all of the twist even, so you can go through and even cut some of them and they don't unravel. And how cool is that, you guys? Because the hair comes coiled together and you untangle it, so once you're twisting it, it behaves kind of like natural hair, or like it coils like natural hair. So that's why I love it, and it springs back just like natural hair. So if you cut it, it doesn't like unravel or become like straight or anything. That's like perfect, you guys. I ain't never seen anything like it. And look how natural this looks. I didn't go too bold with the looks today, you guys. You know I can bring it, but no, this one, it really shows my natural beauty. And of course, here's some shots of the back. You girls can really show off your natural beauty with this hair look. And I'm wearing like really light makeup, just some lip gloss, and you can see how it really brings out just my natural blackness. I don't have any other way to put it than this looks just bomb and super natural looking. It's lightweight, it's easy. Let me know how you like it in the comments below. Let me know what I should call it. And that's all, folks. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I know you ain't going nowhere, so you might as well watch my other videos. Click right here to subscribe, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.
Baby, don't worry.